AI's predicted surges. Number 3 DB High-Tech plus 29.77%, number 2 ARM Holdings plus 37.27%. What is the number 1 stock? Check it right now. Good morning. We begin today tracking Samsung Electronics, currently ranked at number 10. The tech giant recently announced preliminary figures showing an impressive 1,800% jump in profit, or a 19-fold increase year-over-year. However, investor enthusiasm is tempered by concerns over increasing AI spending and analyst predictions, like those from Morningstar, suggesting memory price hikes may soon taper. Despite this mixed outlook from recent reports, our AI analysis is forecasting a 15-day expected return for Samsung Electronics of a positive 14.6%. Good morning, and welcome back to the Market Movers. Let's turn our attention now to Samsung Electro-Mechanics, currently ranked at number 9 on our list. Despite broader market sentiment, as noted by Chosen Ilbo regarding Samsung Electronics' impact on the Kospi, Samsung Electro-Mechanics is showing notable resilience and investor interest. Mail Business News reports that the top 1% ultra-high net worth investors have actually made Samsung Electro-Mechanics their top net purchase. Further underscoring this positive momentum, Finance.bigo.com highlights a significant trend of foreign investors scooping up MLCC and equipment stocks, with Samsung Electro-Mechanics frequently mentioned for its strong appeal within this segment. Against this backdrop of significant investor confidence, our AI model is projecting a robust 15-day expected return of plus 14.8% for Samsung Electro-Mechanics. Turning our attention now to STMicroelectronics, our number 8 ranked company, which is certainly generating significant buzz. After a remarkable 168% year-to-date surge, questions are emerging on whether it's too late to consider the stock, with investors also closely watching as STM recently crossed above its 200-day moving average. Despite these recent movements and ongoing discussions around future price predictions into 2025 and 2026, our AI analysis projects a 15-day expected return of a robust plus 15.3% for STMicroelectronics. Good morning, and welcome back to the desk. We're focusing on SK Hynix this morning, currently holding the number 7 spot, following some significant developments. The company has successfully completed its second-largest U.S. share sale, a strategic move that clearly leverages its critical role in powering the ongoing AI boom. This successful debut saw its stock jump impressively during its U.S. trading debut. Looking ahead, our AI's 15-day expected return further projects a substantial upside of plus 19.8% for SK Hynix, signaling continued strong momentum. Let's turn our attention to Modine Manufacturing, ranking in our top companies today. After a significant 195% gain over the past year, questions are emerging on whether growth hopes might be overstretched, as reported by Yahoo Finance. However, investor sentiment has also been influenced by Modine's recent inclusion in key Russell large cap and growth indexes, a development that often attracts new institutional interest. And in corporate news, a Modine Finance executive recently reported 71,771 common shares on a Form 3 filing. Looking at the near term, our AI models project a substantial 15-day expected return for Modine Manufacturing, forecasting an impressive upside of 27.1%. And now, let's turn our attention to Applied Materials, coming in at number 5 on our watch list. The semiconductor equipment giant has certainly been in the headlines today, with Goldman Sachs reportedly doubling down on its stock target, a clear vote of confidence that's making waves across the market. Barron's has also highlighted Applied Materials as one of the key stocks shaping today's trading landscape. On the other side of the coin, we're seeing investor reactions to its recent removal from key Russell value indices, as noted by Yahoo Finance. Despite this flurry of news, our AI's 15-day expected return for Applied Materials is a significant positive 28.8%. Good morning. We're tracking LG Innotek today, currently holding the number 4 spot on our watch list. While recent reports from Mail Business Daily have highlighted its elimination from Emperor stock status following a share price adjustment, signaling some recent pressures, the company continues to be a focal point for investors. Discussions around its forward price-to-sales ratio are actively being monitored, as noted by TradingView data, and the latest KRX Foreign Holding weekly report for July 10 from Smart Karma included LG Innotek among key foreign-held stocks. Despite recent sentiments, our AI models are projecting a significant 15-day expected return of plus 29.1% for LG Innotek. And now, for a closer look at one of our top movers today, DB High-Tech, coming in at number 3 on our radar. Our proprietary AI models are forecasting a remarkable 15-day expected return of nearly 30%, specifically plus 29.8% for the company. This comes as DB High-Tech is seeing significant analyst attention. KB Securities has initiated coverage with a buy rating, setting an ambitious price target of KRW 170,000. While Simply Wall Street observes that current earnings may not be fully telling the story after shares have already surged 32%, the market is clearly engaged, with TradingView also providing detailed forecasts and price targets extending to 2027. And now, let's turn our attention to our number 2 ranked company today, ARM Holdings. While we haven't seen any specific market-moving headlines directly related to ARM in our data, its foundational role in the evolving AI landscape continues to draw significant attention. And certainly, our AI-powered forecasts project a substantial 15-day expected return of a robust 37.3% for ARM, underscoring the ongoing investor focus on its critical technology. Let's turn our attention to Rigetti Computing, which is capturing significant investor interest as our top-ranked company today. Recent headlines from Yahoo Finance and the Motley Fool debate whether the stock is a compelling buy while trading under $20. This comes as Trading Key highlights a substantial $2 billion quantum initiative fueling a rally for RGTI, raising the question for many if it's still a buy at $25.50. Against this backdrop of market discussion and a robust quantum development, our AI model is forecasting a very strong 15-day expected return for Rigetti Computing, projecting a significant gain of 40.5%. Powered by the top-ranked AI Ensemble model, we analyzed 7 major indicators like OBV and our SI through Tech and Quant to bring you these rankings, completed with reinforcement learning. See you again at this time tomorrow.